Hello and welcome. Witaj. I don't know how to say hello in Polish, but we're here in Poland, and according to this weird introduction to this video, you know it's a border crossing video, or you already know that it's going to be a border crossing video because I haven't recorded it yet. I'm currently doing it. Here we have a Polish flag. That's nice. And here we have a roundabout. And now, or in a few moments, to say the least, we are going to cross the border to Germany. Deutschland, yeah. You know? And yeah, let's cross the border. First, we're going to cross the river Warta. The Warta River. So we're going to cross there it says Warta. You see, I was right. The left side of the road we have the national park and some kind of old train bridge. When we look out of the window we see the Warta, a beautiful river. And there we have some boats for people that can afford a boat. And yeah, now we're on our way to Germany. Where is Germany? I can't see it yet, but we will. Where are we now? Okay, still in Poland, and here's a McDonald's. Okay, it's not healthy food, but it's food. When we go to the right side, we're on our way to Berlin. Berlin is a pretty big village, capital village of Germany. I mean town, I mean city. And you know, you already knew that. Okay, this looks like a border region to me. Let's see if this is true. What do we have here? There we have a Urzat Miasta, which means border crossing video house, I suppose. And that looks pretty old school border like to me. And yeah, what else do we have here? Okay, this has to be the border. Okay, you see that? You see that? There it says this is the end of this town, and this is the border bridge. Oh yeah, we have a border bridge here because the Odra, that's the dead fish river, which every news thing is talking about right now, and that's it. There we have the border. This epic bridge is the border bridge. So we just left Poland, and now we're in the Bundesrepublik Deutschland. Yeah, you know. There we are. There it says Deutschland on the side, and now we are here in Germany. That was easy. That was pretty simple, if you ask me. There are some trees, some German trees this time. Oh, and here we have our famous German traffic sign. There we have some toll, a sign about toll. Berlin, Silo, Frankfurt, but the small Frankfurt, and yeah. You've got enough? Or you don't need this paper anymore? Okay. Enjoy your paper. Okay, now we're here in Germany, and that's actually the whole video. That's it. That's a short border crossing video, but hey, exciting. Yeah, you never know how long a video will last. Here we have Germany. German fields, German trees, German roads, German sky, German clouds, German air. That's the so-called germosphere, you know. There's dead bug blood on the window, if you can see that, I'm not sure. And yeah, okay, that's enough. That's enough. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode of Crossing the Border. Wait, what the hell?